Good morning, good morning, good morning. Still morning, and I have come to tell you that we have moved our level to new level. Now, Global Plumbing Company offers you various services with draw balls, do ball survey. This goes beyond your expectations. We do plumbing services, we visit sites for surveys, landscaping, everything. Welcome to Global Plumbing Company. Are you looking for plumbing experts? Are you looking for what you see? Don't look, just call the numbers on screen. Just visit our email at www.globalplumbing@gmail.com or call our numbers on screen or visit